welcome back to Rihanna Tips, and today we'll be showing how to cook easy but spaghetti. First, we're gonna need some spaghetti noodles and some sauce, and we bought this, which is cheap and goes 18 plates. It's usually for a family package. It includes this, which is about 1 kilogram of spaghetti sauce, and spaghetti noodles, which is also about 1 kilogram too. After that, we're gonna need some corned beef, about 150 grams. It could be any brand. Also, we are gonna need some ketchup, sweet syrup, banana ketchup, which is right here.
Then we use 2 cups of grated cheese, which we usually buy just even. Then we use 1 tablespoon of pepper, 8 hot dogs that are sliced, then 5 cloves of garlic, about 1/2 cup of brown sugar, then 4 tablespoons of oil. Then last but not least, we have 1/2 ground pork.
Right now we are showing you that we are cooking the pasta, and we need to get a pot which is about this size, and it has water in it, which is covered about 3/4 of it. Make sure that your adult, you need to get help from an adult, or your parent should just do the cooking. So now, since we're done cooking the noodles, we're gonna do the ground pork. So now that we're done with the noodles, we're gonna cook the ground pork until the pink goes away. And then we're gonna need some water with it. We're gonna need water, which is about 6 cups. So now we're gonna place the ingredients. This is 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 ground pork, about 1 kilo. Now, when we're cooking the ground pork, we will wait until the heat goes away, and after that we will place the 6 cups of water inside it. When the water in the ground pork evaporates, we're going to place all the other ingredients.
This is the last step of cooking the spaghetti. We will need the ingredients: banana, ketchup, cheese, brown sugar, sliced hot dog, corned beef, and spaghetti sauce, which is sweet vanilla style. The sweet Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Then the sliced hot dog. Then a cup of brown sugar. Grated cheese. Last but not least, the corned beef. mix it and cook in a medium fire for 10 or 15 minutes.
So now we're done cooking the food. Time for the final and exciting part. This is how much the spaghetti sauce. It looks good. But I will add cheese also.
You tell how it tastes. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. You tell it
Now
how it tastes.
time.
It's hot. Blow it.
It tastes good. I really like the cheese part. How it mixed with the sauce. And the noodles are perfect.
The sauce is sweet.
The sauce is sweet. And also the hot dogs are very yummy.
Okay, Alex. So how's the grade of the food? From gauge 1 to 10, what is the best grade that you can give it from the taste?
10. Because it's really good when it mixes with the everything, with the cheese and the noodles and the sauce and